When we found roaches on our boat, we got this Harris boric acid roach and silverfish killer powder, and you can see we used over about a half of it during that time. It was really easy to apply. It is powder, and it comes with this long red like straw, so you can easily get it into hard to reach areas like the back of shelves and down in the bilge, or little cracks, nooks and crannies in your boat. If you don't use it, it kind of comes out like in a puff, but when you use it, it comes out in a long line. So I put it in the drawers. I took everything out, cleaned everything, put it around all of the cabinets, down in the nooks and crannies of everything. After started using it, we didn't see another roach. It took a couple of days to start working, but we didn't see roaches after that. So I do recommend this if you are going into any warm climate where there tends to be bugs and roaches. You might want to carry this on your boat with you. Grab the links below and remember to hit that subscribe button.